morning from the mountains. I'm starting my morning with these fun and delicious pancakes. These are apple pancakes and they are really soft, yummy for breakfast. So I'll catch you guys when I'm done. I normally pour in warm water on my basin and then add a little bit of white vinegar for my cleaning detergent for my fridge. So let's do that. Now that our fridge is crystal clean, we can go right ahead and actually start organizing it. So I didn't bother to wipe them because once you wipe things and you are putting them in the fridge, you give them a low chance of being fresh for longer. So that's it, and let's continue with the fruit section. For my fruit section, I have these grapefruits, I have oranges, I have local oranges, I have tomatoes, and I have apples. I also have carrots, which I'm gonna show you how I package them, not over cleaning them because I want them to remain fresh. I have a cabbage. I wrap it up with this cling film because it retains its freshness. If it's a cut cabbage, I also wrap it with cling film so that I can store it. I also have these breakfast juices. I have my pineapple. Normally I would cover it with cling film if there are so many. I just have this one, so we're gonna be eating it soon, but for this organization I'm gonna show you where exactly it goes. So let's get right into it. here. If they are going to stay more than 3 days, then you better put them in the freezer because they're gonna be more fresh in the freezer. Make sure you have wrapped them nicely. I have these sausages, so they stay there so that they don't pour any juices there, and I have fish fillet, so it's gonna go there. And the best part is that this one is specifically for that purpose, so they're gonna stay there for now. This basket, I can use it for putting tomato paste once they are opened, like this one stays there. As you can see, my carrots are here, so what I do, I wrap them like 4 pieces or 3 pieces, because that's how I'm gonna be removing from the fridge and cooking them. So I can go right ahead and wrap 3 of each with cling film, because that's the ease of how I remove them from the fridge. So let's do that. And basically that's how I do my carrots. Easier to remove that way, and the cabbage is also wrapped up with wrap like it is, and it's easy to put on my basket. Let's do that now. Rest of the fruits, I poured them here. These are oranges, these are apples, a mix of apples. After all that work, let's reward ourselves with some grapefruit. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's amazing. After lunch, we've decided to stretch our legs and take a drive around the area because we can spot animals nearby, and maybe later get ready to have dinner somewhere else. That's the plan. So we were lucky, we spotted some zebras, let me show you, and we were so happy recording and taking some photos, and yep, it was worth it.
Daar zijn ze. We hebben precies een beetje... Hallo, my love. We zullen maar niet te dichtbij gaan, hè. En zelfs al een beetje lopen. Ja. Kunnen we toch weer afschrijven. Schitterend view.
Here he is, already watching zebras. Yep, honey. Those are the zebras over there. Hello. Here at the Tafaria Castle, we arrived at night. These are my people. Yay! And we are ready to have dinner. Hi. Hello. The food is smelling yummy. Yummy. Who is there? Hello. Here you go. Farmers. Yay! And they cooked, we did a nice food. Yay! Hello. That's my sister running over there. Ah, it looks beautiful. We're gonna have a lovely time over here. Super happy. anataka gani? Kuswim sana. Hata mimi naona afadhali kuswim. Kuja tutokee hapa.